What is going on, guys? Yoda Jansen back here with another video on my channel. So today's video, guys, there we go, got the good camera angle. If you guys hear something in the background, it's my cousin's playing a game. But here we go, we have a MVP blaster box from 2017-18. And I already opened up, there's a little special card on the back. So 38 packs, so let's get going. Alright. Don't think that folds. No, it does not. Alright. There's a pack. There's 5 cards in each pack. So let me see what we're looking for here. I'm on camera's desk too, if you're wondering. And we're looking for leading lights, silver script parallels, NHL territories, which is 1 in 1,440 packs. Rookie redemptions, which is in 4,000 packs. Draft picks, which is in 12,500 packs. Pro signs. So yeah, if we can pull anything like that, that'd be amazing. Especially like a pro sign or something, which is most likely not gonna happen just because it's so rare. But yeah, here are the base cards. Alright, all base pack there. Wait, let's make sure none of these are, alright.
Yeah, you can go in there. Yeah, I got 3.
Here we have a signature card right there.
Go, Cam.
Just a regular old short print, and then we got a rookie. Not a short print, I'm not sure. Alright. Gonna open this up here. There we go.
No, Cam. 6.
Here we go. We got a puzzle piece right there. Puzzle pieces have like this stuff right there. That's how I know.
I don't know. Wait. So if it's not, well then he can get the exact number. So he's not in there because he didn't get the exact number. 5. I'll just move it out.
Sorry guys, if it's a little noisy. Sorry about that.
No,
Alright. We're just tearing through these packs right now.
Oh well.
I'm not to make this video too long. Another old base pack. It's alright. That's what I'm expecting out of most of these. Our second pack, I think, is probably our best one so far. Guys, haven't checked out the all the other pack openings. Make sure you go check those out. We got a signature of Wayne Simmons.
One, no.
Alright. So there's 180 cards out of total in this. So like I said, guys, make sure you go check out my other openings. I had two another puzzle piece. That's right down there. 2 Peaches. Got 1 Peachy Platinum from last year. Got 2 Peaches from this year. And we had a artifacts from last year and I think this. Yeah, this from last year too. Bobby Hall. As you can tell, guys, I'm not really just reading the cards. I'm just trying to tear through this. Hopefully we can get something good here. Could that be nice? There we go. Whoa, what is this? Victor Hedman leading lights. We pulled one, guys. They are nice. We pulled a leading lights. Look at that. Cool card there. Let me check what those are in each pack.
Oh, 5. Okay.
Leading lights is in a 1 of 40 pack. So every 40 packs, there is a Leading Lights card, and we pulled one. So that is sweet. Sweet. That's good. Oh, geez. Sorry about that, guys.
Now sit down.
Yeah, seriously.
Go, Cam.
All right.
Go, Cam. Come on, it's about your turn. It's about your turn. So let's go. Okay, go, Dom. Ah! Sit.
Really sorry about that noise, guys.
Well, you can't put in there. It has to be.
I'm really sorry too.
Got a signature.
One, two.
Got a puzzle piece here.
Exactly 6. Yeah, it has to be exactly 6 to get in there. So you have to get 3. No, but it's just saying you have to get 3 to go in there, and you did not get 3.
I didn't feel like waiting for Smart to open up all these packs. Couldn't hold it in, guys, so.
So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, stop it.
All base pack.
No.
We still got a decent amount of packs left.
5.
So, try not to make this video too long. But I really want to pull a hit here. We pulled a hit in our artifacts. Pulled a out of 299. Forget who. There you go. Alright. So we pulled Leading Lights, which is pretty cool. Otherwise, there's nothing too much exciting about these packs. Yeah. Got a signature there. And got a puzzle piece. So I guess there's a bunch of different puzzle pieces, and there's a bunch of different puzzles. Or maybe it's just one giant puzzle. I have no clue.
Can you take my turn?
Got a rookie here.
Make sure you wash your hands, Dom.
Hey Dom, you gotta turn that back on. Thank you.
Did you take a turn?
Alright. Holy Mata. Alright. I know not all of you guys want to see card openings, so I haven't been posting them. But since I got these, here we go. Got a puzzle piece. Calling it there. So I just decided to post all these cards that I'm getting for Christmas. Just because I want to show them off to you guys. Me and Cameron did the live streams of all the cards, and here we go. We got another Leading Lights, guys, of Jonathan Toews. Look at that, Jonathan Toews Leading Lights. Those are 1 in 40 packs, and we pulled them. He pulled 2 of them, and probably 20. Probably 20 packs. No, probably about 30 packs. I'm not sure how many packs we got left, but I can't open this one up. Oh jeez. There we go. Really? I don't know if you can pull jersey cards in here. Oh, I didn't see. We got Marc-Andre Fleury in this pack. Which, kind of sad. Got a signature there. I'm sorry, guys, about the noise. You guys want to be piecing quiet, but I'm sorry about that. Yep, 6 and 7-year-olds, you know, that's what they are. That's okay, though. So open this one
They
from the...
really like playing Trouble.
Yep, they like playing Trouble. That's what they're playing right now. There we go. Finally. I couldn't open up that pack. Got a rookie here.
Your boss, but you don't say it.
Yeah, well, no, I'm talking to English.
Alright.
Well, I also probably have to.
Not sure who's leaving, but Grandma. Alright, guys, I will be back in 1 second. Alright, guys, we're back at it. Grandma was leaving, so keep going.
Hi, people. Let's go. You're funny.
Got a puzzle piece here.
Tonight I'm gonna wear my panda. Move. Cool. Guys, can
There we
we
go.
This game's too. It's gonna be crazy.
All right.
I think I'm gonna be done with this game. Yeah, I'm done. Can we do something about like store? You guys can like get stuff from Cameron's room that you like.
There we go.
Want to play
Finally.
with, or,
These packs are getting a little harder to open.
Yeah, you guys can
I'm not sure why.
pick some games that you want to play with. Then I'm gonna check them out and everything. Then we're gonna play them.
Here, can I put this away?
Yeah. So
Oh, base
after,
pack.
you
Gosh
guys are
dang
you're
it.
both gonna pick one game, and then I'm gonna
Alright.
check it out and do all that
I
stuff.
think
So
Dom, we'll say Dom.
5 left on that side, and I think like 6 or 7 left
Yeah,
on
and
the other
guys,
side.
let's say Cam,
So we still got a
Zach,
decent
and
amount of
Tom
packs
versus
left.
kids. You guys
we're not
can
doing this.
Hey,
No,
Ange, you guys put that?
Can you please
Alright,
stop going in there?
I think another little base pack here again.
You said.
Hopefully not.
And said we can play a game.
Oh yeah, we got signature here of Pavel Datsyuk.
Let Cam say what we're gonna do, but it has to
Alright.
include. I want humbles. That's to include my score. Okay. Well, I have to give you guys money before. Yeah, can I buy one of these? Hey guys, do you want to pretend?
Oh!
Because
What is this?
I
NHL
only have
Territories.
one debit card.
Cool card there, guys.
One debit
Is that a
card.
Penguins
You're
card?
Cam's kid.
Nope.
I'll use
That's a cool card
You're
though.
Cam's kid.
NHL Territory. Let me
act like
on the next pack. Let me look what those are. And Patrick Conquest. All right, let's check out how
Oh, but guys, I have to give you
NHL Territories. Those are in 1 of 20. So some decent pulls here, guys. Not bad.
Can I buy all three of these?
Reason why I didn't go live is because this one was a little longer. But 2 penguins there.
and love.
All right, all base.
Yeah, this.
There we go. Oh yeah. All right,
And there you go.
got a
That's good enough money
puzzle
for
piece
now.
there. Looks like of
Okay. Cam, you
Ovechkin?
could actually use this for no register and put money in it. 'Cause
All
it
right.
knows how to do stuff. So, you guys go find stuff, and when you come up, I'll just pretend I have a little scanner here and I scan it.
got a legend here, Val McInnes.
I'm gonna use my card to buy all of that.
All right, we have I think 6 more packs left.
To do 0.00.
Puzzle piece.
That is $40. Okay.
Well, I gotta straighten out this camera. There you go.
Oh wait, here, Dominic. Smile. I'm gonna take you a contact picture.
Guys, I think I asked for a tripod for Christmas, so hopefully I can get one, so it'll make these videos a lot more easier.
$5 back. How did I say? This is mine.
All right.
Yeah. How much would this be? Okay, so the
Buy yourself something
Yeah.
nice. Go.
And there we go. We got another NHL Territories.
I just bought
So
my.
that's 50.
Cool.
Or no,
All right.
No, this is.
That was nice.
10,
Got last 3 packs here.
5. No. So Cam, we have 2. No, it's 2.
Oh, my cards just
2
fell.
10 and a 5.
Paul's getting a little
That's
too big.
50. No,
All right.
no, 25. No, 25. I said it. 25. We have 20. We need 20.
All right.
I just paid you this for my card.
Okay. Yeah, we need
3 more packs. I just realized that. Signature.
And then I need a 2-5, and then I'll use the rest for it. That is $20.
Got a rookie.
I got that down.
All right, last pack, guys, of the MVP Blaster Box.
And there's your check. No, there's your receipts. Where does motor?
And just a puzzle piece.
Where does motor go?
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video for today, so make sure to go down below, like and subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to be notified whenever I'm starting on live stream, or whenever I just upload it, so make sure to do all that.
Emma.
I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Emma!